I think I have some coins to save. Da-dum, ba-da-da-ba-da. 1 cent coins go here, and quarters go here.
Oh, like that. Oh, coins! I'll go get mine. There.
Ba-ba-da-da-da-da. Wow, it's already full? Time to count the coins. All right. Wait. Why are they all mixed? Ugh, I guess I know who's to blame. Sam?
Yes?
Sam, why do you think there are these labels here?
I know, it's the number of days before we can spend the coins.
No, it's the coin value. Once you sort them, it's easier to count them later.
Oopsie. Well, I know what we have to do. We need to make a coin sorting machine.
Great idea, Sammy.
Yay! We're gonna have our own bank. Hi, guys. Sue, where are you? Sue! Sue!
I'm here, and I'm ready to work.
I prepared everything we need for the craft.
Awesome! So let's get started. Let's put these parts aside. We'll need them later. Oh, I forgot to say hi. Hello, dear viewers. First of all, let me remind you to be careful while working with hot glue. By the way, I don't really know if Sam told you what we're making. I'll tell you this secret.
It's not a secret. I'm gonna tell myself. This will be a machine for space missions. Requesting permission to land. We'll cruise across the universe far away from our planet and find a system where only slimes live.
Sam, are you sure about that?
What do you mean?
We're making a coin sorting machine. I'm gluing the walls for it now.
Yeah? Oh, I confused it with my secret craft.
What secret craft? Huh? Come on, Sammy. Spit it out.
I wanted to make a rocket. Well, whatever. Ladies and gentlemen, behold! We're making a brand new sorting machine for coins!
Bravo, Sammy. Great performance.
You think so?
Sure. By the way, this is how our coins will be sorted. Each coin will fall into the slot of the right size. There. See? By the way, how are you controlling those coins?
It's magic!
Oh, all right, fine. Let it be magic. You were also talking about a rocket. Have you prepared something for it?
Of course. Stay here. I'm gonna show you what I got.
I'm not going anywhere. We're actually making a craft here. But I am curious to see what Sam can make. Oh, no, I want a rocket too. But I'll try to limit myself to this machine. Plus, we're moving to a very interesting part. The motor. So let's connect the motor wires to the dimmer. It will help control the speed of the motor. Now let's attach the contact block for the battery. There we go. Connect the motor to the battery to make it work. Be very careful with wires, guys. Ask an adult to help you. Sam, how much longer?
Almost there.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Soon we'll launch the rocket.
Sam, is everything okay?
Oh no, the test run failed. I guess it's lack of funding. Finish the coin machine, Sue, so I can buy new materials.
Naughty slime.
I'm going back to work. You can keep this.
I made this plate out of Sam's rocket piece that he kindly gave to me. The notches should be as large as the biggest coin you've got. Now we need to attach the plate to the motor axle. Glue it really well and secure it with another cardboard piece. There. Sam ran away so quickly that I didn't have time to ask anything. I wonder what happened to his rocket. Give a thumbs up if you want to find out too. But I think neither Sam nor his morale were hurt. Actually, I think he's trying to fool me. Anyway, let's glue the front part of our machine.
What went wrong? Maybe the engine power wasn't strong enough? I'm gonna check on Sue. I'm here to get away from my calculations. Do you need help?
You can cut transparent plastic into pieces.
Cut plastic. Challenge accepted, Susan. All right, plastic. It can reduce the rocket weight. Thanks, Sue.
You're welcome? I need to think if I said something wrong. Even if Sam says thinking can cause a headache, he's an expert in this, so I'll follow his advice. Now set the controller and apply some glue here. Be very careful. It's hot.
Sue, I noticed one flaw in your design.
Yeah? What is it?
How will you take the battery out when it dies?
Oh, through this hatch.
What? How? When did you make it?
Magic, Sammy. Magic.
Okay, you got me. I'm gonna go finish my rocket.
Guys, subscribe to our channel if you love craft magic. Now we're going to make chutes for the coins. Let's get started. We need to use the right measurement for each chute. Glue the sidewalls, making sure a coin can pass between them. We'll have 4 types of coins. That means we need 4 different chutes.
Sue, I was passing by and saw some pieces. I decided to glue them.
Oh, thank you. Do they have different sizes?
Sure, 1 per each coin type.
Cool. And what about plastic?
Oh, I forgot. I'm off.
Oh, Sammy.
Sammy, what? I've got this thing on my mind now.
Oh? What kind of thing?
What do I make the helmet from? How do I breathe in open space? Got it. Be right back.
Sue, it's Spaceman Sam. How do you like my helmet? There's the plastic.
You look cool, Sammy.
You bet. The best designer worked on that helmet.
I think the designer is Sam himself. Give a thumbs up if you agree with me.
Oh, do you want to make more helmets?
Yeah, for my fingers.
Well, fingers need protection too.
Oh, Sam, stop making me laugh. These will be the containers for the coins.
So let me help you. I can glue the rest.
It'll be great. By the way, how's it going with the rocket?
Almost done. You'll see.
Oh, I can't wait. I hope this time it'll be safer.
Sure. This time everything's gonna be fine. By the way, here's your containers for the coins.
Thanks for your help, Sammy.
So, don't you think this machine's a bit gray?
Yes, I do. That's why I'm going to decorate it. Here goes the roof. Something like a chimney. Stickers to mark the coin value. Also, let's add some color to the central piece. Sam, I'm finished with the sorting machine, but I still haven't seen your rocket.
I need a few minutes more. It's gonna be ready soon. Rocket left the Earth's orbit and set off to explore unknown space. Nothing could stop the greatest slime on his way to his dream.
Sam, I can tell this rocket isn't real, and so can the viewers.
Of course, it's a prototype. I decided not to risk anymore. I promised it would be safe, remember?
Yeah, can't argue with that.
I think we need to invest more coins into rocket development. You can just give me these 2 stacks.
Okay, but I wanted to spend them on sweets.
Sweets? The rocket can wait, but the sweets cannot. Come on, let's go buy something cosmically yummy.
Someone's changed his tune.
I brought more coins from my stash, too.
But Sam, that's our shared jar. We both put coins in it.
You only put quarters, and I put different coins.
Yeah, but only just a few.
Fine, just don't get distracted. Check out how many we've got. Time to count the coins.
Alright, but first we need to say bye to the viewers.
Yes. Bye-bye, guys. Subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up.
And share this video with your friends. See ya!